Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make sour gummy candy at home. First, gather your ingredients: unflavored gelatin, sugar, corn syrup, water, and citric acid for that signature sour kick. You'll also need your favorite flavorings and food coloring. Make sure your gummy molds are clean and lightly greased with a neutral oil or cooking spray. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable, leading to perfect homemade treats. Now let's cook the gummy base. In a saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of corn syrup. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves. Do not boil. Once dissolved, remove from heat and gradually whisk in 4 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin until smooth. This creates the perfect foundation for your chewy, delicious gummies. Next, it's time to add flavor and color. Stir in 1 teaspoon of your favorite flavor extract, like cherry or lemon, and a few drops of food coloring to achieve your desired shade. Mix well to ensure even distribution. Carefully pour the warm liquid into your prepared gummy molds. Work quickly, as the mixture will start to set. Place the filled molds in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until firm. Finally, the fun part: coating and enjoying your sour gummies. Once fully set, gently pop the gummies out of their molds. In a shallow dish, combine 1/4 cup of granulated sugar with 1 to 2 teaspoons of citric acid, depending on your desired sourness. Toss the gummies in this mixture until evenly coated. For more great tips on financial freedom, check out the link in the description for a fantastic book and other deals. Store your homemade sour gummies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. Enjoy your delicious, tangy treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.